Hey guys, what's up? So, not sure if you can tell what I'm working on here, but I I seem to crack and break a lot of screens. So I've already made a couple different repair videos fixing different screens, and that's one of the reasons why I try not to buy expensive devices anymore because it's just I'm always breaking them. They fall off my out of my pocket, off a ladder or whatever. A kid breaks them. Um, okay, so this is a Samsung Galaxy Amp 2 from Cricket, and I mean, it's a pretty good phone. It's a little bit small, probably too small for my fingers, but um, this is a cheap phone, so it's raining out there. So if you hear all that noise, I'm gonna take the battery out. This phone, it's an extremely cheap phone. I actually wanted because the phone I had before was a Galaxy Note. I think I had a Note 2, Note 3, but I actually had it for like 4 or 5 years. No, actually, not maybe like 3 years, but. It's a good phone, which just the only problem was so big it wouldn't fit my pocket. So I am going to try to fix this screen. So let me show you what I got here. Well, I have a big bag of tools. Every time I usually buy a new screen, it comes with like tools and stuff to fix the screen. Yeah, it's probably raining hard out there. I can hear it, but probably can't hear it on the video. But yeah, then I also got this tool in a different review I did. It's called the iFixit Jimmy. So hopefully I can use that to get that screen. So I'll put a link in where you can buy this stuff on Amazon. I got this on Amazon too. This is the actual screen. I think it's like 10 or 12 bucks. Pretty cheap. Came with like some tape on there. A couple little tools. But hopefully you can see this with a light. Okay. Alright, made in China. There's the new screen. So, it looks like the right one. What's funny is I had actually bought the one for the J1, a different LCD, or a different screen. And, this is actually, that was the J3 and this is the J1. So, you can tell because the holes are a little bit different up here on the top. There's like little, I guess, like little sensor holes. But, okay, so, I'm feeling I might need a suction cup to get that off. I'm going to use my heat gun to heat it up. This thing right here. I'm going to try to pry it open. Okay, so, oh yeah, this is actually not the digitizer. This is just the glass. So I mean, if I break this phone, then I'm just going to get a new phone, but, yeah, this is not the whole digitizer. This is just the glass. So, and right now the digitizer is fine. So, I'm gonna give this a shot. See what happens. So, just the glass. We'll see. All right, come back. Get the tools right here. All right, so I'm gonna heat this thing up real quick, and I'm gonna try to get this little suction cup on there, and then I'm also gonna get this Jimmy tool underneath it. I gotta open that up. But I heat it up with my heat gun, and I'm gonna hopefully just be able to pry it. Alright, cool. Wow, look at that Jimmy tool. That thing really kicks ass. I think I'm just under the glass. I'm going to keep on heating this up. Be super, super careful. Yeah, that Jimmy tool kicks ass. You can see my what's it called, heating up my desk here. Up here, still on frame there. Yeah, you can see it opening up right there. Oh. I have a feeling this is not going to go well, but we'll see. It's coming up. coming. If you can see that in the frame. Like I said, I don't know if I'm totally jacking up the digitizer right now, or what, or if I even what I'm doing right now. Yeah, I think I might have broke it. Yeah. Yeah, there we go. I just took out the digitizer. Look at that. Okay, so what the hell it is? Okay. Ah, fuck yeah. Okay, guys, phone is done. Yeah, I had a feeling this was gonna be like impossible, just because I'm not replacing the whole digitizer. I was just replacing the. Well, actually, I cracked the LCD right there. That got cracked. Okay, so, well, at least you guys get to see what it looks like under this thing. So, the digitizer, how's that even possible? Like, you'd have to separate it. That's impossible. Like I said, that's... Well, you don't win them all, so... yeah, I feel like, because usually when I replace the screens, it actually has a digitizer, so I just have to replace the ribbon cable. So, game over. Alright, guys. Well, at least I tried.